The P0700 code is a generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code that indicates your vehicle's transmission control module has detected a malfunction. When the TCM detects a problem, it requests the malfunction indicator lamp, or check engine light, to illuminate on your dashboard. It's important to understand that P0700 itself doesn't pinpoint the exact problem. Instead, it acts as a gateway signal, indicating that additional transmission-specific codes are stored in the system. The root causes of P700 codes typically fall into four main categories. First, electrical issues account for about 40% of cases. Second, mechanical failures represent 35% of cases, including internal transmission wear and valve body malfunctions. Third, fluid-related problems account for 20% of cases. And fourth, software or calibration issues represent the remaining 5%. The P0700 code is classified as moderate priority, meaning it can affect your vehicle's performance and fuel economy, but it's not immediately dangerous to drive. Diagnosing a P0700 code requires a systematic approach, starting with initial assessment. The first step is confirming the code presence using a professional-grade scanner. Freeze-frame data provides crucial information about the conditions when the code was set. Modern scanners can capture detailed parameters including engine RPM, vehicle speed, and transmission temperature. Visual inspection of transmission fluid is critical. The fluid's color, consistency, and level provide immediate clues about transmission health and potential causes of the P0700 code. Advanced diagnostics involve comprehensive electrical and mechanical testing. This includes verifying TCM power and ground circuits, testing individual components, and performing pressure tests on hydraulic systems. Component testing involves checking solenoids, sensors, and actuators. Modern diagnostic tools can perform active tests while monitoring system responses in real time. Once diagnosis is complete, there are three main methods to reset the P0700 code. Each method has different success rates and requirements. Repair costs vary significantly based on the underlying cause, ranging from $150 for simple fixes to $3,500 for major transmission repairs. Regular maintenance is key to prevention. Professional diagnosis achieves a 94% first-time fix rate compared to 67% for DIY attempts. When dealing with P0700 codes, proper diagnostic procedures and professional expertise are essential for successful resolution.